Hi guys, welcome to the Full Send RC YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about RC vehicles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your axle on your Traxxas Rustler. The first step is to remove the body and disconnect the battery. Now we are going to remove the back tire. Now we can remove the gearbox cover. Remove the two screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. And then move the cover aside. Now we have better access to the axle. As you can see, the plastic axle is broke. I'm going to be replacing it with a metal axle, but the process is the same if you're replacing it with a plastic one. You're going to remove the set screw from the axle. This one is hard to reach and requires you to remove the gearbox cover. I removed the slipper clutch because I wanted to be able to show the process better, but you don't have to. Once the set screw has been removed, remove the yoke. This one's broke, so it can't be repaired. Now we're going to remove the wheel nut. I pried it out of place with my Allen. Now remove the pin that holds the wheel nut on. Now the whole axle can be removed. Make sure to replace the bearings in the axle kit. Now the new axle can be replaced. Put the axle on, make sure to line up the set screws with the holes. The metal axle requires lubrication, so make sure to put some grease on it. Now tighten the set screw, or in this case the set screws, down. Use Loctite if recommended by your manufacturer. Now we can put the axle through the axle carriage. Make sure to press it into the two bearings. Make sure that the bearings are correctly seated inside the axle carriage. Make sure the axle spins freely, and now we can replace the wheel nut. You replace the stock axle, the new plastic axle. You have to put the pin through the hole and press the wheel nut in place. But on my upgraded axle, all we have to do is tighten the set screw on the wheel nut, on the notch on the axle. Use Loctite if recommended. Now we can replace the gearbox cover. These screws can strip out easily, so only tighten them a little. Now that the screws are replaced, we can put it on the back tire and tighten the nut down. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to turn your post notifications on for more amazing videos like this. Subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.